Welcome to English with Bell. The biggest question when it comes to the present perfect simple and the past simple is what we use them for. In the case of the present perfect simple, we use it to talk about events that are linked to the present. For instance, when we refer to an action that started in the past and continues in the present, it is not finished. The past simple, however, is used to talk about events that started and finished in the past, so there is no link to the present. Let's have a look at some examples now. In the following sentence, I have had my present job for 2 years. We need to use the present perfect. Why? Because this means that the person started working 2 years ago and he still has his job. Now, let's take a look at the following example. I studied photography at university. Here, the use of past simple means that the activity is finished. This person is not studying photography anymore. Another important thing to mention is the use of for and since. We're going to use them together with the present perfect. We use for when we talk about a period of time. However, we use since when we refer to a specific point in time. Have a look at these examples. You can say, I have known him for 20 years, but you can also express the idea in another way using since. I have known him since I started primary school.